We're here at Hershey World. I would eat one of those.
You'd patience. You could, if you would, you could blend in over here. Here we go. We're going on the Hershey tour. All over the world. You drink out of a cow. That's utterly disgusting. I have never. We have never had Shoofly Pie.
Oh, this is it.
So we're gonna try it and see what we think.
Sold it all, we're on our way. Packed our dreams in a rolling bay. Wheels are turning, life is free. Homes wherever we choose to be. Movement in motion, shift, grow and go. Adventure calling, time to show.
Ooh, it's bright and it is 80 degrees out here at the end of October, and we just arrived at Hershey, Pennsylvania. You know what that means? It's time for chocolate. We're gonna take the Hershey Chocolate Factory tour. I've been excited for this one because taking a sugarholic like me is like taking an alcoholic to a distillery. It's been said that Hershey is the sweetest place on earth, and we're gonna go find out. So come along with us as we explore the Hershey Chocolate Factory tour. Not bringing any trailers down here. You can tell she's getting nervous.
I'm not getting
That's so much fun.
get nervous looking at that. I can't see.
That would be so fun. Can we go on them? Can we go on the roller coasters?
We're here at Hershey World. You're in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Where do you think you have to come to? Huh, Dave?
Oh, you telling me? Well, they say that. Did you see the billboard? It says the sweetest place on earth. Would you agree with that?
Oh, this is Dave's dream place.
Sweetest place on
you,
earth.
Bubs. Pants and a brown shirt, Dave.
Why'd you want to work? So you could be a
So
Reese's?
I could be a Reese's.
You want to be a Reese's?
Yeah.
Well, I'd eat you.
Better than being a kiss.
This is a perfect time.
Oh.
Perfect time to be here.
Look
It's
at
not
that
so
up
busy.
there. I would eat one of those.
You'd bite into a chocolate and caramel decadence.
Hershey's caramel. If it was just dark chocolate with caramel, we should take it back to the car.
All right, we're about ready to walk into this Hershey's Chocolate World together. Let's see what we see. Come with
We'll
us.
see what we see.
See what we see when we saw it.
Ooh, look how colorful.
Oh, wow. Oh. Wow, you see the
Eye candy.
eye candy.
Unintended.
Definitely eye candy.
Oh, right there. You can,
Where do we go first?
It's over here.
Hey, do you think they have some candy in here? What kind of candy do you think?
Even though we're in here, I'm not tempted to eat candy. It's chocolate. It's a different story. I could see how this would be so fun for kids.
I mean, look at that. That's crazy. What are you doing?
I want to do the Reese's Stuff Your Cup. Can we do it?
Video is only.
No, take a picture. I gotta send it to my sister.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna do diabetes.
What?
I'm gonna say.
Those are extra long.
I'm gonna say.
Jolly Rancher is Hershey.
You buy one,
Diabetes.
get one 50%
Diabetes.
off.
Oh
I
no,
don't
they better
think
not.
Watch it be like
I
50.
can't stop taking a smile off my face.
I bought Dad a Hershey Kiss like this before, but it was maybe half that size.
Those are giganormous.
Reese's.
Holy
You know, like
cow.
how you get a Reese's and it has 2 in it? It's 2 in it, but they're 2 half.
So this is where patience. You could, if you would, you could blend in over here.
What?
You could blend in over here.
I can blend in?
Yeah, if you were a Reese's.
Oh, if I was a Reese's. I know, I wanted to dress like one. Oh, I can.
It's sweet. You can
I
dress up like
can.
it. Oh, awesome. Reese's popcorn.
I like Reese's Pieces.
All right, let's go on the tour, guys. Let's go to this one.
Oh, the candy machine. Yeah, I know.
I guess
Colored
that-
That's
chocolate.
Hershey.
That must be the
I
Hershey.
think I learned about him in school.
This is so awesome that there's no line.
I'll ask Dad what he'd rather have. Chocolate kiss or a real kiss?
Yes.
Oh, Taylor, you get to learn some things. Let's be at the cocoa
I'm going to
bean.
say that the cocoa bean
Oh.
has brought more smiles to anybody in the world than any other bean. Yes, please. Look at that. Reese's car. Little bean, a little cocoa bean we're going to get in. She told us what car to get into. Here we go. We're going on the Hershey tour.
It's makes me want to go to Disneyland.
Oh, look, we're going in the barn.
Please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory.
Look at the
Your guide
cow,
will meet you
Taylor.
at the entrance. See you inside.
Hi, Derry.
Disneyland.
All over the world.
Cupcake. Oh, gosh.
That scare you? Oh, look, there's the factory.
Hi. That's the point of this. We're actually the bean.
Or the bean, we're gonna get turned into.
Yeah, see, we're going to
chocolate.
go in there and get roasted.
We're going roasting.
We're gonna get roasted.
Yeah, like we're actually the bean. That's how. Now I understand why we're on a track.
We're like on the conveyor belt.
Yeah, we're the beans.
We're getting roasted.
You want me to roast you?
Yes.
Now
Are you sure? Can you take it?
Yes.
we're being thrown in there.
Oh, now we're
Then
getting
they're
cool.
cooling.
Get cool down.
So that inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs.
Ooh, look at that.
Bologna are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate.
Creamy texture. And of course, that one
Look at 5%.
Well, look how cool that is.
There's some goodness.
come visit us again soon.
That was worth it.
Okay, now let's go to the Reese's place.
Reminds me when you're like a little kid and you do sports and like everybody gets a little award or trophy. Cookie.
Well, I did not know they had Dots pretzels was bigger Hershey's. Because Hershey's makes them. Patience loves Dots.
Like they make Jolly Ranchers and Twizzlers.
Garlic.
She's got a confused
Parmesan
look on her face
garlic.
right now. What?
That looks good.
Dots?
You gotta have the salty and the sweet when you mix the two, like popcorn
Disgusting.
and peanut M&Ms.
I have this weird girl following me everywhere.
Oh my gosh.
Quit following me.
Ice cream.
Oh, but there's a caramel thing.
Oh, look, there's another weird girl following me.
Ooh, milkshakes.
Weird.
Hershey's milkshake.
You want witch's berry?
Caramel.
You want witch's blueberry? Which one's your fave?
Ooh, look at that one. Take a picture of it.
Pass up all the candy, but we can't pass up ice cream.
Ghost toast.
This one's at 5%. I'm scared.
You should have got a s'more one. I would
I
have.
want to this one.
Okay, but you gotta eat the cookies and cream. You gotta eat that candy.
You said we would share.
We can share. I don't care.
Do you guys want, can we all have a bite of each other's?
No,
No?
kidding.
Just don't take the whipped cream. Because that's
So
the
I need
controlling.
a straw.
That's the best
So
part.
controlling.
I'm gonna need a straw.
Oh, Taylor, do you want to eat your candy
It's too soupy.
so it doesn't fall down?
It's too soupy.
It is. It's more straw.
Well, because it's a milkshake.
But we're not used to eating shakes with.
Well, it said milkshake, so I knew it was going to be.
Well, peanut butter sauce is good.
It's really rich.
Nobody's dipping into the cookies and cream.
I did.
No, I will.
It's really good. I like that better than that. Look how cute, Taylor. Did you notice the walls painted like a cow? See, that tastes better than that one.
All right, we just finished our milkshake, and we got sugar. We got sugar rush.
I feel sick.
Oh, sugar rush.
This is what I need when I go on rides. Yeah, where's your sugar rush? You're just immune to it.
Just kidding.
You're immune to it. You need a lot
It's not
to
enough
get
sugar.
you going.
It's not enough sugar.
out their tongue.
Let's go to the Reese's Build-A-Cup. Is that what it is? Is that
Fill a cup.
Is that like Reese's Build-A-Bear?
Yeah, I think so.
Really big
I
one.
put my
You can like,
protein shakes in here.
yeah.
You drink out of a cow. That's utterly disgusting.
Cute.
I like these ones.
Look at Taylor.
Oh, I had a little bandana. It's my friend.
That's cute.
That's all you
huh?
need to do, Dad. You need to just hype me up on sugar, then I give you the star.
Cows are friends, not food.
Yes. Exactly. You got that right.
Fish are friends.
You got that right.
I see what you're doing. You made me drink a milkshake.
This is
So
excellent.
now I won't want this.
Stuff your
I have to
cup.
eat it right now.
Create your own candy bar. Oh, it's a show?
So that's like a,
No, you go do it.
I don't want that. I don't know. I need to learn. I can't learn. I need to learn.
You have to go. You have to go get tickets if you want to do that.
You can create your own candy
Go
bar.
in here.
Not sure what kind of candy bar I'd build.
Yeah, I don't know what their options would be.
Oh, see, you get a wrapper that says a name on it. I think that.
Oh, you can make your label. You can label it.
Yep.
You were so excited to do this. Well, you think you can just do it for free? Build your own Reese's, but it's $20 for a Reese's
to
peanut
pay.
butter cup.
Whoa.
It's that big.
How big?
In that glass thing.
It's in a bowl.
Suitcase.
$20 for a bowl.
I told you it'd be
Crazy.
Oh. Well, you weren't wrong. But don't you like overpriced things? Man, what was that place that you liked, the overpriced hot dogs?
Yeah, Washington, D.C.
Oh, Washington, D.C. Yeah. That's when you come to places like this, they're all overpriced.
Yeah, but this isn't something. I want an amusement park.
That just looks like that would make me sick eating that.
This ball would be too big for Pippi.
That's a tight.
He could hold a
That's a
football.
soccer. I mean, that's a basketball.
It's a basketball. That's soccer. I was like, Pippi could put that in his
I
mouth.
actually love playing football. I actually know how to do it.
Well, I'm glad that you know that's a football.
All right.
And that wraps up Hershey World. We came to Hershey, Pennsylvania with high hopes of the sweetest place on earth, and boy, it did not disappoint. But $20 for a Reese's cup, that's got to be next level insanity. $27,931 pound.
Alright, banana. How'd I do? Buttercup. People are watching us.
Okay, we're gonna go to a Amish bird and hand family restaurant. We drove. Oh, I love this stuff. It's like Amish food at a buffet, so it is awesome. It's just here in a hotel room and a conference room. Oh, I'm so excited to eat this.
You're always filming with a smile on your face.
Yes, because I'm so happy when it comes to food time. What? What are you doing?
I don't know.
You're eating.
I wish I had chicken tenders.
Eating that? Look, we go to an all-you-can-eat buffet, and Taylor puts mac and cheese on there. And that's all she gets.
Oh, so did I.
All-you-can-eat mac and cheese.
I have all carbs. A little bit of carrot.
So far, the
And
big,
you'll get a salad.
so far the big hit is the mashed
This is a
potatoes, though.
seafood cake.
And the chicken's really good.
Did you see the seafood cake?
Oh yeah, mac and cheese and seafood cake.
Did you not get it?
No. All right, I have never. We have never had Shoofly Pie.
Oh, this is it?
So we're gonna try it and see what we think. Do you want to try it with us?
It's like a molasses, like fall spice.
Do you want to try it with us?
You try it.
She's worried. She's worried. She's scared.
It's all about lighting.
My daughter is gonna try Shoofly Pie. I can't say that for some reason.
Shoot fly, what is it?
Shoofly, don't bother me.
Okay.
What do you think?
It's like cinnamon. Like, what's that stuff on
The
it?
lighting is really rough behind your head. I don't know. Crumble?
I know what it tastes like. It tastes like the s'mores Pop-Tart.
A s'mores Pop-Tart? A Pop-Tart s'more.
Exactly like a s'mores Pop-Tart.
Man, that
Like, I'm
lighting
not
is
even
rough
kidding.
behind you.
That's so weird.
That lighting is horrible.
It tastes exactly like the cinnamon s'mores Pop-Tart. That, I mean, you probably never had the s'mores or cinnamon.
you just took like a tiny bite.
Yeah, it's like the brown sugar
Yeah,
s'mores cinnamon Pop-Tart. Literally.
Like a cinnamon sugar.
Brown sugar Pop-Tart. It tastes like the Pop-Tart. Have you ever had that Pop-Tart? It tastes like the
brown sugar
Pop-Tart.
Pop-Tart. That's exactly what it tastes like.
That's what I'm saying, exactly.
But softer.
Just weird.
It's really good though. I've never had it.
Really? So you're trying it for the first time, but you've never had it?
Never had it. It's really good though. So that right there is our sweet adventure at Hershey, Pennsylvania, where every corner seems like it smells like chocolate and every moment feels like a sugar rush. From those giant Reese's cups to our first taste of Shoofly Pie, we definitely got our fill of our sweet memories. It's hard not to smile when you're surrounded by so many treats, and the chance to share it all together made it even sweeter. So thank you for coming along with us on our little chocolate escapade. It was our hope that you felt like you were right there taking it all in, one sweet bite at a time. But stay tuned for more travels, more laughs, and more moments on the road as we explore this all together. Until next time, safe travels and keep that sweet tooth ready for our next adventure.